Right, mic check 1 2 3, mic check 1 2 3. Did I say again from the script?
All right, this is our practice session.
Or not. Whoops, it's upside down. Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Joel and welcome to another unboxing video. And for today's video, we are unboxing, the 11-inch 2020 iPad Pro in space gray. Look, I am here for sure. Alright, so let's get cracking. The reason as to why, yes, I feel compelled to explain myself over and over again, just kidding. So the reason as to why I picked this baby up today, well, for starters, this is not my iPad. I got this for my mom because her iPad Air 2 is starting to give up on her. Give up on her, that sounds bad. We waited for the Apple event last Tuesday, last September 15th, to find out or to see how the iPad Air 2020 will look like, the specs that comes with, before we made this decision today to purchase this device. Simply because there has been a lot of rumors as to how awesome the 2020 iPad Air is going to look like, or it's also known as iPad Air 4. Long story short, when I looked it up, price, details, and what have you, it is compelling to be honest, but it has one big letdown. The base model 2020 iPad Air only comes with a meager 64 gigabytes of onboard storage. My mom is currently using an iPad Air 2 with 64 gigabytes of onboard storage, and that is already maxed out. A more sensible thing to do, of course, is to get the next option available after 64 gigabytes, and that means it should be 128. So the next iPad, or her next iPad, should at least be 128 gigabytes. And when I looked it up, so of course we thought 33,990 pesos for the iPad Air 2020 base model, 64 gigabytes. So let's see if it comes with, or if it has like a 128 gigabyte option. And much to my dismay, it does not have it. It has, though, the next option, which is 256 gigabytes, and that goes for 42,990 pesos, Philippine pesos. I thought, 40,000 mark, and the base model iPad Pro is 47,990 pesos. So just a few more thousand pesos, you get better screen. Like we're talking about 60 gigahertz refresh rate as compared to, for the iPad Air 2020, as compared to the iPad Pro 2020's 120 gigahertz refresh rate. Not just that, the iPad Air 2020 does not come with, what do you call that again? Face ID, face unlock, but it comes with fingerprint unlocking system, which I forget what they call. Oh, it gets unlocked through fingerprints, I think. Anyway, aside from those two, I saw these videos comparing and contrasting the iPad Air 2020 versus the iPad Pro 2020, and if you look at it, the iPad Pro, as the name suggests, still is years and years ahead in terms of performance. We decided to go with the iPad Pro for this purchase, for my mom, of course, because this is her advanced Merry Christmas gift. Merry Christmas, Mom. All right. And we went for this particularly because, whoops, there's an alarm, because of longevity. Now, my mom used her iPad Air 2 for 5 whole years, and we're guessing this iPad Pro is gonna serve her 5 years at the very least. So we decided to go, all out. Plus, they did not have the 128 gigabytes model today, but they only had it in 256 gigabytes. So we got this for 53,990 Philippine pesos. All right, so without further ado, let's get cracking. Let's unbox this baby. I'm so single these days, I call gadgets babies. How pathetic can I get? Anyway, on to the unboxing. So we're gonna move to that table behind me. So let's get going. So let's start unboxing Mom's new iPad, shall we? For starters, let's look at the box. On the side, it reads iPad Pro, and if you notice, the text color indicates what color the iPad is. So in this case, it's the space gray model that we got. This is what the front looks like. It pretty much shows us the actual size and the bezels that goes all the way around. The other side, it still says iPad Pro, in that space gray text. And at the back, I'm not going to show you the entire back part, but instead I'm going to show you this part right here. So it says 256 gigabytes. So it says iPad Pro 11-inch, second generation. This is the second generation. The 12.9-inch model, though, this year is already the fourth generation or iteration. First generation of the 11-inch iPad Pro came out back in 2018. So this is the second generation model. It says Wi-Fi. So let's take a look at this. So it says the package includes the iPad Pro 11-inch, USB-C charge cable. So like my iPad Pro here on the side, there you go. The iPad Pro 2020 also comes with USB-C, a USB-C port. Yes, so there. It also comes with a USB-C power adapter. So there you go. That's pretty much it. Oops. All right. Okay. At the bottom and up top of the box, you'll just see the Apple logo. Again, the color would be of the same color. Color of the Apple would be the same color as the actual iPad. So let's open this baby. It comes with this pull tab, so you don't need anything else other than just your fingers. All right. So let's pull it. Pulling the plastic off. There you go. All right, whoops, there it is. So let's throw this baby away. It's upside down. So there you have it. That's how the box looks like. And this is our iPad and its full 11-inch glory. It's pull tab right here, and that's how the iPad looks like from the back. The 2020 iPad Pros come with 2 cameras, and that third opening right there is not a camera. It's a LiDAR sensor for virtual reality and augmented reality, actually, and other cool features that I don't think we'd be able to take advantage of because we're not techy like that, not even my mom. And it comes with that quad flash right there, and of course a microphone at the back. And it also comes with 3 metal thingies for when you need to connect it to other accessories, like the Magic Keyboard. I don't know if you call that the Magic Keyboard, the expensive keyboard that goes for 16,990 Philippine pesos. Yay! We're so good with prices. If you pull the pull tab right here, alright, so let's slide this right here and just put that away for now. And this is how the iPad looks like. Alright, minus the glare of the ring lights. On the right side, the volume up and volume down buttons, and on the other side there's nothing on there. Up top we have the iPad Pro comes with quad speakers, by the way. 1, 2, 3, 4, and of course our Thunderbolt C port right here. So 4 speakers, and of course our HD FaceTime camera up there, and the lock button up here, and 2 microphones up here, which is cool. We'll set this aside and we'll now move on to the rest of the package. Of course, this is cool. So if you'll notice, there's a cutout on the box for the camera, for the new camera setup. So this is all the paperwork in the world for the iPad. And of course, the iPad comes with the Apple stickers, also in gray, but I'm not gonna take those out because it's gonna take forever for me to put those back. And this is the charging cable, USB-C to USB-C. And this is the USB-C power brick for the iPad. All right, there you have it. This is the 11-inch iPad Pro. There you have it, guys. We just unboxed the 11-inch 2020 iPad Pro in space gray. And this is for my mom. Thanks, Mom, for allowing me to unbox this in front of our audience. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoy our video. If you did, please click on that like button. And if you have not yet, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel, Kilojoels. This is Joel. Stay cool, my friends. Until the next video. Thanks for watching.